everyone would say after kind of Sonia's kind of keynote was just incredibly inspirational in terms of, I think, not accepting what she called, I think, like a deficit model of education. And I think like to kick the day off and by really kind of pushing everyone to think about what might be possible in education and to look beyond our kind of assumptions.
It's been really exciting to hear from people about what they're doing with coaching, how they're using videos to help their staff to get better for our learners. So it's been really great.
Really inspirational day. It's been so good to just sort of learn from some real experts in their field and just to sort of share that common goal, and really excited to see where UnityPD is going to take that teacher development in the future. Loads of really cool stuff. So it's been a really good day.